Hi, I'm Dr. Leonard Anderson from the Convex Foundation. Our challenge is interoperability between DLT systems, and the result is TokEngine. We teamed up with Wearnode, a French supplier of an EV charging app. Wearnode is one of many multi-chain projects within the EU. The user-centric design interviews clearly show that they needed low-cost, high-speed and interoperable systems. TokEngine provides Wearcoin swaps between Ethereum, EVM and Tezos blockchains at low cost by operating their own servers, sub-second finality within TokEngine and an audit record of the swap. Here's the architecture. Wearnode have an EV charging business with Wearcoin tokens held on EVM and Tezos networks, but their users want to swap their tokens between EVM and Tezos. A Docker file produces the API links plus links to the Convex network. It's extensible to any other DLT with a metadata configuration file. You can run TokEngine on your own server without the costs and risks of external bridges. And now for some screenshots.
If you want to run TokEngine, you can do so with just a single command. So assuming you've got the pre-built tokengine.jar, all you need to do is java -jar tokengine.jar. I'm going to run that command, and as you can see, it's showing all the logs as the server starts up. You can see all of the adapters have been configured and launched, and it's connected to all the underlying DLTs. So once you have TokEngine running, the easiest way to interact with it is to simply go to your local host port 8080. I can open that up and I'll see a page describing the TokEngine server, including which networks are configured and which tokens are arranged for token exchange. I can then go through to the API Explorer, and this will show the REST API, which is the way that developers would normally interact with TokEngine. And any of these functions has full documentation as part of the API, so I can see what parameters it requires. If I want to test it out, I can just try it out. I can make sure I've got my parameters correct in the request. I execute it, and I can immediately see what results come back and how the server behaves. And you could also see that, of course, I've had a log entry which describes what has just happened.
Let me introduce Wearnode, the provider of a disruptive EV charging solution. Wearnode develops an open software ecosystem based on blockchain technology. Given the need for interoperability across different blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Tezos, which use incompatible token standards, Wearnode requires a toolkit to seamlessly swap tokens between these networks. TokEngine provides dApp developers with a ready-to-use token swapping module that works with multiple service providers. Developers only need configuration files that specify which tokens they wish to exchange. Wearnode can operate their own TokEngine server, or alternatively, they can engage a third party to run it as a hosted service.
TokEngine gives you fast DLT performance and token exchange for the NGI. Thanks for funding 2 Convex projects.